Hey there YouTube. Today I'm going to show you how to change the voltage regulator on a 1998 club car. This is the part. It's on Amazon. It was $13. And right there is the regulator. The symptoms you'll see are if you put a multimeter to the battery when the engine's on, you'll get 18 volts or above, anything above 15 volts, you probably got a bad regulator. Simple enough. 110mm. Disconnect your battery, of course. Alright, there's the bolt that came out of it. It's kind of a coarse thread. It's actually a 3/8 socket. Alright, and my yellow wire is it's a bullet connector there. That really took a lot of force to separate. I couldn't get it on camera even because I need a free hand, but yeah, that is in there good. Alright, and get the red wire off. You're gonna unscrew the bolt on the white side of the solenoid. This is why you really need to remove that battery. Okay, white wire is on top, and the red wire is underneath, and now that's free. Alright, and on the original club car one, you can see it's a little bigger. The black wire splits in two here. One runs out of this little box into onto a frame ground. Right there. And then the other wire runs to this contactor, and it has a spade connector. So definitely want to document how those are connected. Alright, get this grounding bolt off. It is a through bolt, so you're going to need either 2 sockets or a 1/2-inch wrench and a 1/2-inch socket. Alright, this is really hard to get on camera. Alright, then once you get that ground loose, it was the bottom one, I believe. Fish it through the electrical box here, and this is going to take some finesse and 2 hands, since there are a bunch of wires shoved in here. There's no getting the ground wire with the ring connector through the bundle of wires without cutting the zip ties, so you're going to have to cut the zip ties or the black wire on the old unit to get it through. But now that I got that out, I'll show you how the wire splits here. See how it goes from one, so it's a 3-wire technically, but then it goes into this split and it comes out 2 black wires. So you might think it's a 3-wire when you're ordering it, but make sure it doesn't split into 2 wires after, because it looks like you're going to need a ground and then another ground to this contact over here. Alright, so the ground wire comes off the, this is so hard to get a camera in here, not the top contact on this switch, but the bottom contact, the one that's silver. And if you ordered the kit I did, looks like it should just plug right in there. Not too much fuss. Alright, it's on that connector now. I'm going to run the black wire through the wire bundle. Just gonna, yeah. One thing I want to note, the old one has a little bit of a standoff there, so the wires are able to come out without being squished if you over tighten the bolt. The new aftermarket one does not. So That alone might be a reason you might want to buy right from Club Car. Alright. The worst part is lining up this hole, the old hole. It's yeah. Where is it?